Hi, I'm Ehsan Bahrami. Welcome to this video. One of the most important questions we need to ask ourselves before starting any task is why we should do it and what benefits it brings. In the realm of programming, one of our first questions should be, why should I learn programming? There are various reasons one might consider learning to program, from its intriguing nature to the potential career and income opportunities it offers. However, in this video, we'll explore some other reasons that go beyond just job prospects and earning money. So if you want to start learning programming with a clear purpose, ensuring you have the energy and persistence to stay on this path, don't miss this video. Before we dive into the tutorial, I recommend that you subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon and set it to all so you get notified as soon as a new video is uploaded and you don't lose track of the channel. Plus, if you enjoyed the video, you can support me by liking and commenting. And if you think this video could be helpful for others, share it with your friends. Nowadays, it's rare to find someone who doesn't recognize the importance of programming or, more broadly, the significance of computers. But hearing some quotes from well-known figures in this field can help us better understand the importance of this subject. First, let's review a quote by Steve Jobs on this topic. Everybody should learn to program a computer because it teaches you how to think. The next quote we'll look at is from Elon Musk. I taught myself how to program computers when I was a kid, bought my first computer when I was 10, and sold my first commercial program when I was 12. These quotes from two influential tech figures highlight two distinct aspects of the benefits of learning programming. In the first quote from Steve Jobs, regardless of your job or whether you're working or not, he points out that learning to program can help us in various moments of life in ways we might not even notice. It teaches us how to think and solve problems, and we can use this problem-solving ability in our daily lives. In the second quote from Elon Musk, the importance of learning programming from the perspective of earning money is mentioned. As you know, Elon Musk has at various times been the richest person in the world, and it seems that many factors such as learning programming have helped him along this path. As you can see, programming and learning it isn't something that has only recently become important. It has been significant for many years and has only become more crucial nowadays. That's why you've probably heard more about it recently. What's even more interesting is that these quotes are from many years ago, when the impact of programming and technology was less compared to now, meaning the importance of learning programming has only increased. Now, some of you might say that AI is going to replace programming and learning it is pointless. We could spend hours discussing this topic, and I'll try to create a dedicated video for it. Here I'll briefly address some points based on our discussion. Before anything else, let me say that no one can predict the future, and we can only make estimates about the future of AI based on the progress of technology. The idea that AI will eliminate some jobs isn't unique to programming. It's true for almost all professions. If we think this way, we shouldn't learn anything or start any task. Let's examine another job and the threat AI poses to it. Consider a doctor who checks your symptoms and gives you a prescription. On the other hand, AI might be able to do this more accurately and with fewer errors in the future. From this example, do you conclude that no one should study medicine anymore? The answer for now is certainly no. With this example from another profession, my aim is to show that this issue isn't exclusive to programming. So what's the right approach in this regard? It's to make the right choices at each moment and grow and adapt with the progress of technology. Naturally, specialists either won't be replaced by AI, or if they are, they'll be among the last ones to be replaced. Therefore, the best approach is to strive to become a specialist in whatever field you are in. Returning to our main topic, which is answering the question, why should I learn programming? We can list various reasons, and everyone can choose some of these reasons. In a general classification, reasons can be divided into two categories: job-related and non-job-related reasons. First, let's look at the job-related reasons. Acquiring expertise, learning a new and modern skill is important because specialists are always needed. Earning income. Programming is one of the most in-demand fields in the job market. Ease of learning. Programming can be learned without even leaving your home with just a computer and internet connection. Migration. Programming is a highly sought-after skill globally, making the migration process easier for those who wish to move abroad. Flexibility in work style. In programming, different work styles like on-site or remote work are possible, allowing individuals to choose how they prefer to work and giving them more options in their work style. Unlimited advancement. Compared to other jobs, you can follow a path where there is practically no ceiling to your potential income, and other reasons that could be mentioned. Next, let's look at the non-job related reasons. Improving problem-solving skills. This doesn't just refer to solving math problems, but more broadly, coming up with solutions to various issues. Enhancing thinking ability. Increasing the ability to consider different conditions and even factors beyond our control when providing solutions. Becoming more familiar with technology, allowing us to use it better in our daily lives. And other reasons that could be mentioned. In this video, we've seen many reasons why we should learn programming. Although these advantages make programming more attractive and prioritized over many other jobs. Just like any other profession, programming also has its drawbacks, which I'll try to discuss in a dedicated video. But the main attraction of learning programming beyond jobs and income is that it helps us think better in our daily lives and make better decisions when facing daily challenges. By learning programming, we've strengthened our problem-solving ability, just like an athlete who strengthens their arm muscles by lifting weights. So even if you have another job and aren't looking to earn money from programming, I recommended you consider learning programming as one of your hobbies to develop your problem-solving ability. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and share it. If you have any question about programming or software engineering in general, you can ask them in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos. Until the next video, bye friends.